I did feel for those who are out camping in the southwest at the moment when I went to bed last night and heard the wind howling against the windows. So let's find out if that wind is finally dying down. Emily's here with the details. How's it looking?
I think saying the winds will ease by 10 p.m. is perhaps a little bit optimistic for that family. I admire their spirit. And I'm also amazed that anyone got any sleep in any tents last night. Like you, Justin, it woke me up sleeping in a house. So yes, good luck to everyone. I think it's more after midnight we'll finally see these winds dying down. But you have to take shelter where you can today. One of our weather watchers taking shelter in Plymouth earlier on today, but we have been feeling the effects of Storm Francis. So we've had some strong gusts of wind through this afternoon. Highest one that I've seen so far is 59 mile an hour gusts at Chivenor in North Devon at 5 p.m. this evening. And there is still a risk of further strong winds through tonight. And it is by tomorrow morning through the day tomorrow that these winds do finally ease. So we have got Met Office warnings out for these strong winds. There's a wider yellow warning, and within that area, gusts of up to 70 miles an hour for the coast and hills are still possible. There's a smaller amber area which just brushes into parts of Somerset, and here there's a higher chance of some disruption from these very strong winds. Now, away from the wind, our weather watchers have been spotting some rainbow today, as we have had a mixture of sunshine and showers. So fairly shallow rainbows have been spotted around the region today, and that is due to, in the summer month, the higher elevation of the sun means the centre point of the rainbow is further below the horizon, so we actually see a bit less of the rainbow, but at least there's been some brighter weather to spot amongst all the windy weather from today as well. So you can see in the satellite picture this swirl of cloud around the centre of Storm Francis. We have really escaped the worst of the wet weather in the southwest, and that storm is gradually making its way across the North Sea, clearing to the east, followed on by its ridge of high pressure tomorrow. So some calmer weather, some drier weather through Wednesday. It is only temporary low. As we move into Thursday, the next area of low pressure will move in from the west, and that will bring with it some heavy showery rain, possibly some thunder mixed in there by the end of Thursday as well, so it will turn quite unsettled once again. By Friday, still some showers around, turning a bit breezier for a time as well. More northerly air to come for the weekend that will cool things down a bit as well. Back to today though, this is the radar picture from this afternoon. We have had a scattering of showers across the southwest, mixed in with some brighter intervals as well. As we go through tonight though, it should become dry everywhere. Just some cloud, a few clearer spells. Now we are still expecting some strong gusts of wind. By the time we get to first thing tomorrow, we're probably past the peak of the wind, but we could still have gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour for parts of the coast, lows between 14 and 16 degrees. So still breezy to start the day on Wednesday, but it should be a bright start as well. Looks like it should be dry through the day with some sunshine, particularly into the afternoon. And the winds become more moderate westerly as well, highs of up to 20 degrees. For the Isles of Scilly, a calmer day here. It should also be dry with some spells of sunshine. The high tides tomorrow at around lunchtime, at Plymouth at 12:01 and at Bideford at 12:10. Now for the surfers, not so big waves, but still not hugely usable surf, either choppy or messy conditions on both the north and south coast. And out at sea then, we have got these winds coming in from the west, backing south-westerly 4 or 5, occasionally down to a force 3 at times, mainly fair weather and generally good visibility. So here's looking ahead to Thursday. After the dry weather tomorrow, it could turn quite wet for a time, particularly later in the day. As I said, there is a risk of some thunder and lightning by the end of Thursday as well. So more unsettled weather to come for the end of the week, turning a bit breezy as well through Friday. Still further showers. Saturday and Sunday at the moment though is looking mostly dry. Change in wind direction will make things feel quite cooler, some cooler nights to come. At the moment though, for Bank Holiday Monday, it's also looking mostly dry though, still a few days to go before that. Justin.